Hello. Welcome to the next video in a series that supplements my professional disclosure statement. I'm James Fitzgerald. I'm a Vermont state licensed clinical mental health counselor. If you haven't done so already, I encourage you to watch the other videos in this series first. It is helpful to watch the videos in the order they are listed in the playlist titled About James Fitzgerald. The videos preceding this one cover my education and undergraduate studies at the College of St. Joseph the Provider, graduate level studies at the University of Vermont, and my work history and clinical experience. This video replaces a previous version and will be replaced as new courses and certificates are completed. If you are curious to dive even deeper, there will be supplemental videos for each course, detailing how the course subject integrates with my practice of mental health counseling and intersects with the other courses I am taking or have taken. In this video, I'll provide an overview of the continuing education and professional development section of my professional public disclosure statement and a summary of the certificate training and education courses I have completed. The State of Vermont Secretary of State's Office of Professional Regulation requires that mental health counselors must share their professional disclosure statement with clients, which must be signed by the client no later than their third session. PDF copies of the course completion certificates are available in the Client Account Portal's Documents and Forms library. The courses I discuss in this video are the courses I have attended as of the date this video was created. The following are the most current courses I have completed or am currently enrolled in. Mastering Internal Family Systems IFS Therapy with Dr. Richard Schwartz and Dr. Frank Anderson, using internal family systems. IFS Therapy for Trauma, Anxiety, and Grief with certified IFS therapist and clinical consultant Daphne Fatter, PhD. The Ultimate Training Bundle, 3 separate 6-hour courses for acceptance and commitment therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and dialectical behavior therapy. 2-day intensive training and a mindfulness certification course. The Complete Internal Family Systems, IFS Therapy Competency Course. Integrative Sex and Couples Certification Training with Tammy Nelson. Mastering Mindfulness. Mastering DSM-5 TR Differential Diagnosis, Mental Health Documentation, and Medical Necessity. Acceptance and Commitment Therapy Intensive Online Course. Multicultural Awareness and Diversity Training Course. Certified Autism Spectrum Disorder Clinical Specialist Courses. Clinical Services Provider and Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder Treatment Certification Courses. When the required courses are completed and my practice hours are complete, I can apply to Evergreen Certification Services to become certified in a number of approaches. Some of the lessons included in the intensive certification courses include Theory of Mind, No More Autism Meltdowns, Child-Centered Approaches to Effective Autism Treatment, Autism Interventions, Sensory Motor Interventions, Neurological Approaches for Children and Adolescents with Autism and ADHD, Integrating Polyvagal Theory in Autism and ADHD Treatment. Different, not less with Temple Grandin. Moving Beyond Medication, Advances in Diagnosis, Treatment, and Management. Rethinking ADHD, a New Treatment Approach. That concludes the list of lessons for the ADHD and Autism Clinical Specialist Training courses, A Clinician's Guide to Teaching Mindfulness. Mastering Mindfulness. Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction Training Course. Mindfulness-Based Cognitive Therapy Training Course. Acceptance and Commitment Therapy Training Course. Seeking Safety Program Overview and Training Course. Couples Therapy Training Course. Dialectical Behavior Therapy Certification Training. Internal family systems and polyvagal theory, healing through compassionate connection, training course. Internal family systems, step-by-step for deep healing with Richard Schwartz. Clinical applications of internal family systems theory training course. Cognitive behavior therapy techniques for everyday practice. Counseling theories. Addiction treatment and clinical mental health counseling. Mental health documentation and medical necessity. Professional life coach certification. Health and wellness coaching. Comprehensive case management for holistic health and wellness. Sleep hygiene overview training course. Advanced practical clinical skills for the trauma-informed therapist. Human sexuality across the lifespan. Psychopharmacology essential updates for mental health professionals. MOAB training, management of aggressive behaviors for physical safety interventions and necessary restraint adequate to the level of severity. PROACT training for safe and effective de-escalation of clients' emotional dysregulation and anger. Nutritional health for mental health professionals. Wellness Recovery Action Plan Group Facilitator with Vermont Recovery Network. Bloodborne pathogens and infectious diseases. HIV and AIDS treatment competency for clinical mental health counselors. Intentional peer support training course. Forensic peer support training course. Recovery coach training course with Vermont Recovery Network. That concludes this video and my review of the professional development segment of my professional public disclosure statement. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I invite you to watch the videos about my approaches to therapy and my theoretical orientation. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay current with new videos. Don't forget to reward yourself for making the time and effort to take care of your health and wellness.